Don't let a simple oil change wreck your engine. Here are 3 mistakes to avoid. Number 1. Over-tightening the oil drain plug. You will strip the threads or crack the pan. That is an easy $500 plus fix. Number 2. Using the wrong oil type or weight. That can kill your oil pressure or void your warranty. Number 3. Forgetting to change the oil filter. Old gunk means engine wear, which means big money repairs. Save this for your next oil change, or risk paying for a new motor. No Money Garage, saving your ride and your wallet. Subscribe for more quick tips, save big, spend less.